Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy to be with you. This is a special unboxing for me because I have been attracted to this bag for 2 years. 2 years ago I bought it and I returned it the same day because I felt it was too small for me. However, since then I've been seeing a lot of people have their own YouTubes on this bag, YouTube videos on this bag, and they're bigger than me, and they love it, and it's perfect on them. So after 2 years, I decided, let me give it a try because I really like this bag, and I know I would get a lot of use out of it. So thank you for joining me, and let's do this unboxing. This is a Coach bag. I hope I'm doing this right because it looks like this is upside down. And yes, it was. But that should shock nobody. Yeah. I'm kind of upside down lately these days. Okay. Here it is. I hope I love it. Oh, and it's so cute in here. Look how they packaged it. Really nice. I hope I could show it to you without it falling out. It's this little one over here, and the rest is all padding around this, all padding. And I wish the person who did this was here, and I would thank them so much because I love how this is done. It's sitting in its space, and it wouldn't be traveling all over the box as it traveled. If it's done like this, I have to show it to you. I'm so impressed. Look, it's right over there. The rest is padding. This is the nicest I have ever seen. Any package from any company sent. I really am very impressed. I hope the bag is as impressive as the boxing. Kudos to whoever did that. Awesome. So when I said small, this is the bag. This is in its entirety. But you know, I don't think it's all that small now that I see it, and I see it on other people. Let's open it. Oh, this is the Lana 23. They call it a shoulder bag, but it's actually this one. They have a big shoulder bag. This one, in order to be a shoulder bag, you have to wear the crossbody strap because it has a 5-inch circle here that your hand could go through, but it's never going to get on your actual shoulder. It's really pretty. It's black. It has a black signature C over there. The seam, I think that's white stitching in the seam. Rather. This is the, I hope you can see that. I can't see it because I don't have my glasses on, but I hope you can. It wasn't on sale. I personally have never seen this bag go on sale. Let's undo it. Comes in this, there's silky dust bag. If I stammer for words, when I get a little nervous, or you know, I do forget some words sometimes. It's not like I forget them. It's just I can't remember them at the moment. I do remember them, but I just wanted to let you know. So if you think that I'm, stammering a little bit, I am. I am. I'm getting older. I'm 74 and a half. So let's undo this. This is the strap. And I love how they do this. It actually fits in here. I'm very impressed with this packaging, as you can see. I don't even know how to take it out. I'm going to have to cut this. I didn't think of a scissor, but let me do it. So this is the strap. I have, after I completely unbox it, I'll give you all the details about it. I've saved all of these things. I have a whole bag of it. And this is a 21.5-inch strap, and it's adjustable and definitely, as you can see, it's removable. For sure. It's in a 2-part strap also. And if I didn't know that, I would be thinking, did I break it already? And it's black. This is black too, which I love the all black look. I'm going to make it on the smallest because I'm sure that's where I'm going to wind up. And I hope they have that little thing that holds the strap down. And they do. That is so important to me. And it's all attached over here. So I'm going to make sure that I'm going to keep this, and I'm sure I am. But I'm not going to take it apart right now. Let's see what else has to come off. All the padding in here. They padded this so well. Next time I talk to Coach Customer Service, I'm going to tell them how much I love this. And obviously I love it a lot because I haven't stopped talking about it. Wow. The padding keeps on coming. Okay, so now it's open. And I hope you could see. There is a section here that is for security. It snaps closed very quickly. So that if you have your wallet in here or cash or whatever, it's safer. And these 2 sides over here, which are empty. Wow. And I think it's orange in there. Really nice. Really, really nice. Let's see how it looks on. I'm sure I'll be carrying it like this quite often. As a handheld bag and as a shoulder. Let's see how it looks as a shoulder. The loops that you would put it through were right in there. I'm not really familiar with this, so I'm just trying to actually find things in the dark because there's a pretty black in here. Okay, this is on the shortest length now, and it's attached to the strap. Oh yeah, I could use the next probably. I could use it one down, but even at the shortest, it's good. But I'm going to use it one. Let's do one down. It's a little too high. This is a keeper. This is definitely a keeper. I am really excited about it, and I love it in this color. Okay, this is, well, it can even go down one more. I think it needs to be down one more. This is feels very secure on me. It's not, it doesn't feel loose or jiggling around. And this is actually a good length, but let's try one more down. And I'm not one that keeps changing sizes of the straps. Once I settle on its strap, I keep it that way. And here it is, and I think this is actually the perfect length for me. Right at the waist, yeah. I really, really like it a lot. This is the handles. I should take this off too. You know, once the handles go, this is definitely mine. And that's how one off looks. Another one, because this is a keeper. In fact, I'm wearing it today. I think this was a really great choice. Very good decision that I made. This is a beautiful bag. The leather, which is polished pebble, is really, really nice. Very soft. It has I think this must say Coach on it. I can't see it exactly, but I think it must say Coach. And it hooks up over here and a little D-ring. And of course you could put charms there. I'm really, really happy with this. I am really, look, I am not gonna be complaining about this bag at all. This is the size is perfect on me. I'm sorry, and I regret that 2 years ago I could have had this bag if I had an open mind or if gave it a chance. I didn't unbox it. This is the first time I'm actually unboxing one of these bags. Yes, this is my new bag. It's extremely lightweight. And I only carry 3 things with me: a pouch, a small wallet, and my keys. I'm fine. I got it. This covers me completely, 100%. And I have information about this that I wrote down before I did this video. I'd be glad to read it to you. If I could find there's my glasses. Under that pile, it might be a little hard to find. It's the Lana 23 shoulder bag. They call it a shoulder bag. And this you could wear on this strap you could wear on your shoulder as well. Usually that falls off of my shoulders, but maybe it'll work this time. The length is 8 3/4 inches, the height is 7 inches, and the width is 5.5 inches. 5.5 inches. 8 3/4 in the length, and I believe that's the bottom, which is longer than the top. It's like a pyramid, and the height is 7 inches. And they're probably including the handles. Or maybe not. I'm not sure if they're including the handles or not. It has a side open compartment. Okay, I didn't see that. Where would that be? Where would the side open compartment be? If anybody knows, please let me know, because I don't know if I'm going to find it. I'm not finding it. So hopefully somebody tells me so I could use it to its max, but I don't see where it has that. But then again, it looks very dark in here to me. My vision is not good. I don't see any opening in here. Okay, what else does it have? Moving right along. It's easy to organize. Yes, I love the divided spaces. It has a central slip compartment for security, and I showed you that. That's great. You open this up, you can put your money in here, or your wallet in here, and it's tight. And when it closes, it makes a little sound to make sure that it's closed securely. That's a good thing. I like that thing. I'll probably be wearing a card case, a small card case, and put it in there when I'm out instead of a big wallet. It has a signature hardware, and it's the style number is C like cat, M like Mary, 545, and this I forgot how much I paid for this. I think it was around $3.95. This was $3.95. Yes. Well, I'm very happy with this, the bag and the packaging. Yes, and I definitely will be telling the coach people who answer the phone next time what a beautiful job they did. And I thank you guys for watching this with me, because I was really, really looking forward to this, and I was hoping that it would work out, and I'm really happy with it. I will do a video of what fits in it soon, very soon, because I'll be wearing it. I'm very excited. And as I'm looking at it, I'm excited as the blackened hardware, that it's not gold, that the whole thing is black. And that means I could do so much with it. I have a charm, and I have it right here. It fell on the ground. The people have been advertising it. Coach People store has been advertising it with this charm, which is, I think they're calling it a motif. It's little charms. It's a little charm bracelet kind of thing that they've been putting on this bag. This comes in gold tone, and it comes in the silver tone. I happen to have had this gold tone, which I didn't use for anything else. Let's see how that looks on here. Cute. And on here, They advertise it with that cherry charm, the 2 cherries. I had that a couple years ago and sold it, and now I'm going to probably have to buy it again. Oh, that cherry charm comes in a couple colors, so if you're going to make a comment to me, I'd like your opinion. Should I wear it? Should I order it in? It comes in the cherry with, you know, that everybody knows, that cherry with the goldish leaf, or should I order? It has all gold, 2 gold balls. Let me know which one you think would look best. Because either one, I think, since this is gold, maybe the 2 gold balls would work, or the cherries with the gold. That would be a help, because I have a lot of indecision when I'm buying things, because I don't want to make a mistake. Thank you guys so much for watching me and for helping me, and for your support that's been going on for 7 years. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you, and you're a part of my life, and I appreciate you really more than you will ever know. Take good care, have a wonderful week, and I will come back as soon as possible. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody. Bye.